In Sweden, there's a Fika classic that requires no oven, no baking, and almost no effort, which already sounds suspicious. It's small, round, covered in coconut or pearl sugar, and you'll find it at almost any Fika. This is the Swedish Chokladboll. It dates back to the early 1900s, at a time when nothing was wasted, leftover cake crumbs, simple ingredients, everything reused, mixed together into something new. A practical solution that became a classic. The ingredients are still simple: oats, sugar, cocoa, butter, coffee, things you probably already have at home, which makes it feel less like baking and more like assembling. There's no baking, no exact timing, no real precision. You mix everything together, roll it into balls, and you're done. For many Swedes, this is one of the first things you ever make. As a child, at home, or in school, because it's simple enough that everyone succeeds, almost. It used to have another name, one that is no longer used today. Now it's simply called Chokladboll, and that shift reflects something bigger than just a recipe. It's not refined, not delicate. It's rich, sweet, slightly uneven in texture, more homemade than perfected. And that's exactly the point. You don't wait for a special occasion. It's not a dessert. It's Fika. It just appears at cafes, at home, at gatherings, sometimes without explanation. The Chokladboll isn't about baking. It's about simplicity, making something from what you already have, without stress, without precision, and still getting it right. From leftovers to a national Fika favorite, no oven, no pressure, just mix, roll, and you're done. Which might explain why it never disappeared. Subscribe to Discover Sweden the Swedish Way.